What is a great product? What is it made of? And what does it leave behind? In a fast, changing world where global growth and urbanization bring new opportunities, we also face new challenges. The possibilities can appear endless, but resources are becoming more and more scarce. We sometimes fail to see how things around us could be produced using the most basic materials. Natural and renewable materials, such as paper, made from certified pulp and produced in a way to make final products more sustainable. At Munkfa, we take a look at the world and develop new, sustainable solutions to meet tomorrow's demands. Together with our customers, we shape new ways of using specialty paper, replacing the conventional. We make it easier, more flexible, and better for our customers. Sometimes this means replacing plastic with paper. Sometimes it means sharpening the wings of a wind power plant, being part of a computer production, or producing paper that can isolate high-voltage current. All Munkfa solutions are made to be part of future processes and product designs, and therefore always have to perform at top quality. Munkfa, an innovative way of looking at paper.